Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already. Now let's get right into this video. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the new all-nighter collection from MAKARTT / Awesome Color. And I'm so excited because they invited me to be on their PR list, so I will be getting every new collection to promote for the day of the launch. But yeah, like I mentioned, this is the new all-nighter collection, and these recently launched this past Friday, which was September 10th. And my package arrived the day of the launch, and I couldn't have a video ready for that day, so I just took this weekend to have the video ready, record it, edit it, and upload it. And I'm just excited to show you guys everything that comes in this kit. So as you just saw, it comes with some press-on nails and 2 different designs and 2 different lengths, which is medium and short. And next we have this all-nighter 6-piece gel polish set, and I'm just gonna open that up and show you guys what it looks like. So here are all of the colors that come in the 6-piece gel polish set. The bottles and the packaging is really cute. As you see, it comes with a few glitters and some solid colors. I'm not going to swatch these just yet. I'm going to show everything first, and this is the all-in-one gel polish starter kit. And once again, the packaging is very pretty. I like the purple. And this starter kit comes with everything you need to do your nails as a beginner. And this is just the little pamphlet showing you how to prep, remove, and just some pro tips. You can pause to read if you feel like you need to, but it comes with a file and a buffer. And then it also comes with the little sticky tabs. I don't recommend using these if you want to have your nails last a long time. And these are the nails that come in the kit. You don't get very many, but you also can go to the website and get some full cover nail tips. Using my discount code, it will save you some money off. And then it comes with some little star stickers, like astrology type stickers. These are very pretty. And then it comes with some UV gel removers. Next in the kit, it comes with a thing of nail glue, which you will need to apply the nail tips. And then it also comes with a wooden cuticle pusher thing to do your nail prep, to push back your cuticles. And then it also comes with this cute little mini light. I have one already from the last collection that they sent me, and like these are very useful. And this is just the USB cable to plug in to allow it to work. And then here we have 2 repeat colors from the other 6-piece gel polish set, and then we have a base and top coat. So here I went ahead and took all of the gel polishes out, and I'm just going to be showing you the colors up close and also the swatches. All of these colors are really pretty. I do like the colors that they put in this kit. MAKARTT has very good quality gel polishes. If you are looking for some good gel polishes, I do recommend MAKARTT. They are super pigmented, and like it just goes on super smooth and buttery. I love everything about their gel polishes. They have so many colors to choose from, and this color is so pretty. It's super like glittery, and like it just is definitely one of my favorites from this gel polish set. Since this color here is a glitter, is more on the sheer side, so depending on what you're going for, you will have to like do a couple layers to build up the color. The next color we have is a beautiful blue. This shade of blue is like so perfect. Like I feel like it'll go good with like a set with some clouds and stars, which goes perfectly for like the all-nighter kit, because you can do something different. Instead of being all-nighters, you can do like a daytime sky instead of a night sky. I feel like that would be super pretty. The next color is a beautiful purple, and this has some little glittery shimmers in it, and this one was definitely one of my other favorites as well, especially being purple is my favorite color. And like this, it's not necessarily like a pastel purple, but it's like a lighter purple, and I like how it has the iridescent shimmers in it. I feel like that is really pretty, and this could be like a background color for like some little stars or a galaxy type nail. The next color is in the shade Glamour, and this is the only dark color they included in the kit. It's like a grayish kind of charcoal gray, and the other colors are more on the sheer side, but I feel like this one was the only one with the more opaqueness to it. You can do one coat and it comes out very opaque. Of course, all of the swatches will be kind of shrieky on the hum of the swatch sticks, but like these go on really good. And this is the last color. This is called Diva, and this is one of these sparkly colors. I love how this have the iridescent shimmers, very glittery. I tried to like capture that glitter, but it was kind of focusing on everything else but the glitters. So yeah, I'm just going to swatch this last color, and as you can see, this one is really on the sheer side. You will have to build this up to your liking, but I really do love the little shimmers in it. And I cure each of these colors for 30 seconds, and this is how all of the colors look. This is only one coat. I was gonna add a second coat, but like I felt like these are really pretty even without a second coat. So yeah, these are all of the colors. I really do enjoy them, super pretty. If you are interested, make sure to use my discount code to save 15% off your order at checkout. And yeah, let's get into the video. So these are the two colors I decided to go with, which was the pretty purple with these shimmers in it, and then that pretty light blue. And these nail tips I'm using are from AliExpress. I'll make sure to link them down below as always. I'm starting off by painting the middle finger and I believe it would be the ring finger. I'm gonna paint those with this purple. I am just loving this purple. Like, it is really pretty. Like, I love the shimmers and I just love everything about it. This nail set is actually inspired by one of my nail friends here on YouTube. I'll get more into that once I reach the nail art part of the video, but as for now, I'm just going to go ahead and finish painting on that purple color. And here's how that coat is looking. One coat turned out really pretty. I'm going to place this back on my nail stand and repeat that on the ring nail. And then once I'm done adding those purple coats, I'm going to pop that into the light. And then I'm going to take that blue that I pulled out and I'm going to be painting that on the index nail. And once again, this is how that coat turned out. I'm going to pop that into the light. And then I decided to go over each of the nails with another coat, just because I felt like it could have been a little bit more opaque, even though these are like pretty how they are. But like I said, depending on what you're going for, you will have to build them up to your liking. And then I cured those for 30 seconds, and now I'm pulling out my nail palette because I'm going to be doing a marble. I'm just going to float each color on the nail palette, and you want enough for the brush to actually pick up the gel polish. So I'm just going ahead and taking the blue, then the purple, and then I'm also going to be using the white from the 6-piece gel polish set. And those are the 3 colors I'm going to be using. And I'm wiping off my brush before I put it back in the bottle, just in case it touched the other colors and I don't contaminate my gel polish. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and float all of those on twice. So I'm going to have 2 of each color, and this is how it looks. But before I apply the marble, I'm going to take the base coat that came in the starter kit and I'm going over the thumb. The base coat is going to act as a blooming gel, just because I don't have any and I feel like it still works exactly the same. I'm going to go ahead and make sure I put enough on that nail, and without curing, I'm going to pick up a brush, scooping it up just like that, and I'm going to be kind of floating that onto the nail, making it into a marble pattern however I feel like would look pretty. And you can do this any way you want. There are many other techniques to doing marbles, but this is how I felt like doing it for today's video. The look for the marble that I was actually going for, I wanted it to be like a full marble nail, but I ended up liking how it had like clear parts in it. I really liked that, so I didn't cover all of the nail. I just kind of left some clear spaces at the through the nail. And then once I get that marble on how I like, I'm just gonna wipe the sides, because as you can see, it kind of like floated down a little bit. You don't want to take away from the shape because you don't want to like have a bulky nail. So I'm gonna wipe the sides and cure, and I'm also going to be doing the same thing for the pinky nail. So once I cured, this is how the nail set is looking so far. I'm really loving this. So next I'm going to be taking these holographic butterfly stickers. I thought these were like flame stickers a long time ago. I never paid enough attention to them, but I was digging through like my nail art supplies, and this actually based my nail set. So like I said, I'll get more into it once I reach the nail art part of the video. Now that we're here, this nail set is based off Jenny Nails. I'll place the picture on the screen. I watched her video like a few days ago, and she did this marble and butterfly set. So once I seen these, this is what based my whole nail set, and I really like those from her, so make sure you go check out her video. And when trying to apply the butterflies, I did have a little problem because they were super fragile and like super thin, and once I peeled them up, the little parts that I'm poking out with my tweezers, I'm pretty sure like the sticker was supposed to come up with them already like out. I could be wrong, so I had to go in and manually like poke them out, and once I did, like the sticker just came out a little wrinkly. But I went ahead and placed it on my nails anyway, just like she did on her nails. And these are like two wings, so once you put the nails together, it creates one big butterfly. And I've actually always wanted to do that. I just never thought I had any stickers. Like I said, I thought these were flames, and it kind of took me a while, so I did the rest off camera, and this is how the nails turned out. I was out of frame a little bit because I wanted to make sure the butterflies lined up. Yeah, like I said, it did take me a while. These are my attempts on the stickers. I don't really like these butterflies just because they are super thin, but now that we have those stickers on, I'm going to be applying some rhinestones. So I'm going to take the top coat from the starter kit, and I'm applying it to the entire nail, just because once I place the rhinestones on, I'm going to cure and I want to be done with that nail. So I'm just going to be doing some little simple rhinestones around the cuticle area, and then once I get them placed how I like, I'm going to cure. And then I'm just going to add a top coat to all of the other nails. So after applying the top coat, I cured for 30 seconds, and this is how the nails turn out. I'm really happy I had those butterflies to match that blue in this set. The marble is looking really pretty, and actually I created two sets. The first set you just seen me do in the process, which came out really pretty, and the second set I just wanted to create something else using those stickers, and this is what I came up with. Nothing too complicated, very simple actually, and I just went ahead and used 3 of the colors, and I just put those gold astrology stickers on, and this is how it turned out. I had a top coat on top of it. So I'm just going to be applying these to my nails and adding some cuticle oil. So yeah, here's how the nails turn out. I'm really happy how these turned out. These are really pretty. Comment down below which one is your favorite. My favorite is this one here, just because of the colors and the butterfly stickers. All of the information will be down below in the description box if you are interested in checking this collection out. Make sure to use my discount codes as well, and as always, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.